So on the screen, one more time, this one will be the rear image of the Royal Central Park. And we will have the main lake, and of course next to the main lake we will have one shopping mall. So in this area we call it is an active area. It means that all of the activity here is will be a lot of like festival also daily life, people coming here for playing. Connect by the bridge. Go to this side, you will see that we will have some communication area for the event. So it means that all of this activity will be support for the life of the citizen of the Royal Central Park. It means that in Royal Central Park, we not only have a space for the young generation, but also we have a space for the older generation or the kid. So my message to you is mean that the Royal Central Park is not only take care for the one generation, but also three of the generation. Why? Because when we go to Kyrgyzstan, we saw some family living together with the grandparents, with the grandchildren. So with us, in our view, Royal Central Park is not only the real estate project, but also is a vision for the Bishkek urban development. We want to bring here to the Bishkek is a new technology, about the new idea for the life, about the new time for the people. I believe that the Royal Central Park will be the motivation for the western side of the Bishkek. And with full of the function, everyone can approaching all of the amenity under 50 minutes by walking. So today I think that you listen about under the 50 minutes walking for the city life, and Royal Central Park will be the real answer for this one. Thank you so much. That is the idea of Royal Central Park.